What if I told you the biggest financial mistakes you'll ever make will happen before you turn 30? Not in your 40s, not when you have kids, right now. And here's the scary part. Most people don't even realize they're making them until it's too late. A few bad decisions in your 20s can cost you hundreds of thousands, even millions over your lifetime. But the good news, if you catch them early, you can flip the script and put yourself years ahead of everyone else. So in the next few minutes, I'll walk you through 5 financial mistakes that silently destroy your future wealth. And the last one, it's the most dangerous because almost everyone thinks it's normal. Mistake 1, living like you're already rich. You just got your first real paycheck and suddenly Uber Eats feels justified, that $6 coffee feels harmless, and upgrading your lifestyle feels deserved. I mean, you worked hard, right? Obviously, you need a $1,200 phone upgrade, but here's the trap. Lifestyle inflation is the silent killer of wealth. The more you earn, the more you spend, and somehow, you're still broke. Meanwhile, the people who quietly build wealth, they live below their means, especially early on. Because if you don't control your spending, you'll never have money left for the next mistake. Mistake 2, not investing early enough. Let me ask you something. Would you rather invest $500 a month starting at 22 or double that at 32? Most people pick the second option, and they're wrong. Because time, not money, is your biggest asset. Every year you delay investing, you're literally giving up exponential growth. Quick reality check. Do you know where your money is sitting right now? Savings account? Doing nothing? That's the problem. Even small investments in your 20s can snowball into massive wealth later. But even if you are investing, there's a mistake that can wipe out all your progress. Mistake 3, relying on one source of income. One job, one paycheck, one stream of income. Sounds stable, right? Until it isn't. Layoffs don't send warning texts, and your employer is not your safety net. Relying on a single income source is like standing on one leg financially. Eventually, you lose balance. The wealthy build multiple income streams, side hustles, investments, assets. Your paycheck shouldn't be doing all the work, but even with multiple income streams, there's something even more dangerous. Mistake 4. Ignoring debt is tricky because at first, it feels manageable. A little credit card here, a loan there, no big deal, until it starts compounding against you. High-interest debt is like running on a treadmill that keeps speeding up. You're moving, but going nowhere. And here's the brutal truth. Every dollar you pay in interest is a dollar that could have built your future. And that leads us to the final mistake, the one that ties everything together. Mistake 5, not thinking long-term. Most people in their 20s think short-term. Weekend plans, next paycheck, immediate gratification. But wealth is built by thinking in decades. Would you rather look rich now or be rich later? Because those are two very different paths. The people who win financially delay gratification, invest consistently, and think long-term. They don't chase quick wins, they build systems. And if you can master this mindset early, you won't just avoid these mistakes. You'll put yourself in a position most people never reach. Your 20s aren't just about making money. They're about building the habits, the mindset, and the discipline. That will define your financial future. Make the wrong moves now and you'll spend years trying to recover. Make the right ones, and you'll be playing a completely different game. So start today. Spend smarter, invest earlier, think bigger, because your future self is depending on the decisions you make right now. And if you're wondering how to actually build income streams so you're not relying on just one paycheck, click the video on your screen right now. I break down the best passive income ideas for 2026 and how you can start. Even if you're starting from zero, don't wait. Your future wealth starts with your next move.